Hello and welcome to the last and final episode of ICBI Presents Image Banani Hai. Today, our participants will go through a very interesting session on makeup and grooming. They will also get complete product knowledge, awareness of skincare, and they will also see makeup demonstration. Our expert image consultants Grace Agarwal, Upasana Lalwani and Sonia Pardesi will take our participants through the entire process of makeup and grooming.
Hi Neeta, today we are going to talk about the various products that we're going to use for your skin. Because you have a combination skin, we would be using products which are required for your skin type. Let me help you today how to see things about your face type and how you can select products as per your own skin. So do you mean to say that you've never applied even kajal or a gloss?
Actually, about the kajal thing, I just have this feeling that it doesn't look nice on my face. And about the foundation or concealer, yeah, I have heard about and sometimes tried to apply them. But then it just leaves so much patchiness, or maybe I don't know how to select the correct ones according to my skin tone. So I just leave them totally.
So to first get it into a neutral tone, we would first use concealer. Okay, this is a translucent concealer, which would help you hide the various variations you have on the skin. Your skin is a combination skin, and I can see a lot of dryness on this area especially. Though you might have a little oil in the T-zone, but this entire area, your cheekbones and your jawline, they look very dry and patchy. So for that we would use a foundation which has little oil in it. We wouldn't use much of it in the T-zone, but we would use more of it on the sides because that area requires a lot of oil. So today we are gonna show you how to do these for yourself. See, now you always need to remember that with the eye makeup or your lip color, you should always be a part of the color scheme. What I have done for myself right now is I have taken the blue color on my coat up to my eyes. That is how you become a part of the color scheme. That is when you look complete. So right for now, I would show you the colors that would go with your skin color. Colors like these browns with a little smoky black on the corner, or maybe colors like this kind of a pink for a natural day look would look good on your skin.
Okay.
For your lips, you can use colors like these, which are cool colors. They will create a contrast between the warm color of the skin and the cool color used on the lip, which creates a better visual appeal. Wherever there's a contrast, the attention always goes there. Now that I have shown you the use of these products, I hope you will be able to use them much better.
Yeah, sure.
Neeta is not a very makeup person. She didn't know what to use for her skin and where to source things from. So during the session, I explained her what are the things that she should be using for her skin, as well as where she could source those products from.
In this session, Upasana told me about the basics of makeup, where should I source it from and how to apply it. After this session, I am much more confident how to buy the right products and where to source it from.
The thing that I'm going to be telling you about today is something that we call as cleansing, toning, moisturizing. This is a process which is called as the CTM process. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to take cotton, okay, and take a bit of your cleansing milk, put it on your cotton ball and run it through your face. Okay, so the next process is what we call as toning. Okay, now the purpose of a toner is to help remove any excess oil that has not been removed in the cleansing process. Okay, so either you can use a product which is typically for sensitive skin and for oily skin, or you can opt for a home remedy like gulab jal, that is rose water. Okay, so you do the same thing, take it on a cotton ball and run it across your face. Okay, now the next important step that you need to take into consideration is that once your toner has dried up, so the next most important process is moisturizing. Okay, so since you have oily skin and it is sensitive, so I would recommend a moisturizer which is water-based. Now, how do you identify a water-based moisturizer? So anytime you're looking for a specific product, you need to look at the back side. So where the ingredients have been listed. So whatever is listed first, that means the content of that is more. Okay, so if it's water or aqua listed first, that means it's a water-based moisturizer. So you need to opt for that. And that too, one which has the sun protection one, so that you can wear it in the morning. Okay, so after you're done with your cleansing and your toning, you need to moisturize your face. So take a bit of your moisturizer on your palm and run it in a circular motion on your face and let it be. Let it settle in. After that, you can start off by applying your makeup. So now that we have talked about the CTM process, I would really like you to incorporate this in your daily life starting from today, or rather starting from now.
Sure.
Skin is the largest organ of the human body, and as a result of that, it requires a lot of care. When I worked with Neelam, what I really discovered is the fact that she has predominantly oily skin and very sensitive skin at that. So therefore, oily skin requires a lot of care. So I have advised Neelam to take care of her skin by doing the CTM process once in the morning and once in the evening.
Today I had a session with Sonia about skin type and skincare regime. तो अभी उन्होंने मुझे बताया है कि religiously मुझे cleansing, toning, moisturizing process जो है at least दिन में 2 बार follow करना है, and that will also help my skin become more good in texture, and also it will make my makeup last longer.
We'll be starting the makeup session on you. The makeup procedure would be as per the face shape analysis and highlighting your strengths, and we'll be countering wherever whatever is needed.
Come on everybody, Image Banani hai.
Welcome back to ICBI Presents Image Banani hai. After the complete session on product knowledge and skincare, our participants will now have a practical session on makeup demonstration, which will also enable them to learn and practically do their own makeup.
Hi Sonam.
Hi, Grace.
We'll be starting the makeup session on you. The makeup procedure would be as per the face shape analysis and highlighting your strengths, and we'll be countering wherever whatever is needed. I'll be teaching you makeup techniques for different roles and goals and for the different occasions. Okay, so let's get started. Can I just offer you a mint? This is basically done for the oral hygiene. First step whenever you start your makeup is to prepare your skin. So to have a good foundation, to good base of a skin, so we first do the cleansing stage. The purpose of the cleanser is to open your pores, remove the dirt down the pores, remove the excess oil from your face. Spend good time with this step. Cleansing and wiping it off with the wet tissue. The next stage is always a toner. The purpose of the toner is to close your pores and to tighten your face and prepare it for the makeup, okay? The third stage now is the moisturizing stage, which is to prepare your skin. We've already done your cleansing, the toning. Now we moisturize the face, again with a slight massage. Now starting with your base. I'll be using the cream base for you. Just look up, look up, look up. Open your eyes and look up. Loose powder you can apply with a brush or a puff, whatever you're comfortable. Okay, again the strokes are all downwards. Once the base and the loose powder stage is over, now I'll be starting with the eye makeup. In eye makeup, we first start with the eyebrow filling. We start always from the center of the eyebrow and take it towards the end. It's always done with the angular brush. It becomes easier. The the eyebrow filling is done, I'll be starting with your eye makeup. So in that, first starting with your eyeshadow. Whenever you choose an eyeshadow for yourself, always remember, draw it like a thick eyeliner and make it dark. As I said, in makeup, less is more. And you always apply eyeshadow only till the socket of your eye. You don't take it up. You start blending it. Now we'll be highlighting it. So this you start from the mid of the eyebrow and you take it to the end. Done the kajal, the eyeliner. Now comes the mascara stage to beautify and accentuate your eyelashes now. Okay, now just look straight for me. Here now, you already have a very good oval face shape. But I would still like to highlight the apple of your cheeks. Okay, so for this you will have to smile for me. Blush on is always done in the oval stroke to accentuate your apple, and it is always done upwards. So you take the color in your brush, just close your lips. First just fill your lips always so that they look natural. Basically by this lip color, I'm repeating the warm colors on your lips, okay? Today I had a session on makeup and grooming with Sonam. The entire makeup process was done as per her face shape, and when we were doing the process, a lot of tips on how she should take care of her skin, and then the makeup as per her roles and goals, how she should do a different kind of makeup when she's going for a different kind of event was taught to her. And at the end, what we achieved was basically looks which would enhance her image and make her look suitable for the roles that she's going to play.
It was a fun, happy learning experience with Grace. As you all can see, my makeup speaks louder than my words. Wow, I'm so happy and I feel so confident from within. It's like as if I've just rediscovered myself. I think every woman needs to know that makeup is one of the essential ingredients after clothing.
Alright, so after the 4 days of rigorous training on image management, let's see the final outcome on our participants who participated in Image Banani Hai program.
अपनी कहानी है.
Oh, unbelievable!
Come on everybody, image banani hai.
Hello and welcome to ICBI Presents Image Banani Hai. In the previous segment, we covered makeup and grooming sessions. We've now come to the tail end of the entire process of image management with all our 5 participants. I'm eagerly waiting to see the final transformation of these 5 participants. Although this is not a makeover, but the participants have been enabled to manage their image all their life.
ऊंचा आसमान जाना है वहाँ, जरा सा बदल संग जमाना है. तेरी किस्मत तेरे हाथ में, अब दुनिया को दिखाना है. सबको सुनानी है.
Alright, so after the 4 days of rigorous training on image management, let's see the final outcome on our participants who participated in Image Banani Hai program.
Image banani hai. Image banani hai.
Oh, unbelievable! This is the real you. Congratulations!
Image banani hai.
Alright, so 4 ladies and 1 gentleman. I'm sure you had a fantastic experience during your sessions on image management. Well, let me tell you that this is not a makeover session that you've undergone. This was a complete transformation because we do not believe in makeovers. You've also gone through the entire process where we evaluated your lifestyle, your personal style, your personal coloration, then we recommended you fashion colors. We also did your body shape evaluation. We also checked your face shape and then recommended clothes according to that. However, let me tell you that this is just the beginning. So you must understand that now the journey to success starts for you from here. Let me share some interesting experience which I had when I met you for the first time. Sonam, when I saw you for the first time, the perception that was formed in my mind about you was that you are a little confused person. Although you are a physiotherapist, but there was some sort of identity crisis. You need to understand that when you are dressed as per your roles and goals, you look sharp, you look credible. So now you can distinctively identify the difference between what you're supposed to wear when you are in a serious profession vis-a-vis what you're supposed to wear when you're going out with your family or your friends. So the outcome is brilliant. So Neelam, let's talk about you. When I met you for the first time, trust me, I felt very nice. But at the same time, I also felt that there is a lot of scope for improvement when it comes to your appearance. You come from a media background. You are in a field where you have to interact with a lot of people. You need to work with colors, textures, and different styles. But today, after seeing you in this attire, I really feel very happy and proud about the fact that you are also feeling very confident about yourself. So Meghashri, over to you. The first day when I saw you completely blank, expressionless. I also felt that the life inside you was missing because you had no smile on your face. Today, I see the life as well as the smile back again. What you feel from inside, basically you exhibit that outside and vice versa. So today you look and feel confident primarily because you have managed your appearance very well. And because you appear so good today, you've also started feeling very high on self-esteem. Neeta, what do we say about you? I feel so proud to see a homemaker aspiring to be a professional. The first time when I saw you, I saw a suppressed Neeta, somebody who had a lot of dreams and desires, but at the same time, this homemaker is so engrossed in day-to-day family life that she has no time to even dream. So today I have given you a corporate look which is also a combination of approachable. So the scarf that you're wearing today has floral prints. You have a jacket and a trouser. But at the same time, you're also not overwhelming when you're at home. Your husband, your family, your children would always look forward to seeing a person who's a mother, yet at the same time, a person who's looking forward to get into a professional lifestyle. Ganesh, a trainer, a professional, somebody who looks forward to seeing you as a mentor. Of course, the first day when I saw you, I saw a person who was very enthusiastic, very energetic, but at the same time, there was a lot of conflict in your appearance. When you are a mentor and you are in a leadership position, you must create a contrast in your clothes. This happens when you wear a lighter shirt and a darker bottom and team it with a focal point. Now in your case, the focal point was a tie, which was missing because you usually did not wear a tie when you were in front of the audience. Do you know what is the most essential ingredient to become a successful trainer? It is to look the part. So to look the part means that you need to look like a trainer. Somebody who is credible, somebody who's sharp, somebody whom people look up to. So the credibility comes with, of course, your knowledge, primarily. However, it has to be teamed with appearance management. Now I'm going to share a very interesting reading material for you. This is a book on first impressions, lasting impressions, which has been authored by me. This will give you an insight on the whys and the hows of impression management. This is an interesting read. At the same time, it will give you a lot of information about the impressions that are formed on yourself as well as others. So please make sure that you make complete use of this book. Go through it, practice it, and share it with everybody around you. Let me also inform you that we will be keeping a track on your life. We will be happy to know your successes, where and how you experience different situations in life. We would also like to see you in the next season of Image Banani Hai, and we would like you to share your success stories. So thank you so much and all the very best.
Thank you.
So these were the 5 lucky participants who participated in Image Banani Hai on television. You can also participate in the same process at our institute. Visit Image Banani Hai link on our website, imageconsultinginstitute.com.
Come on everybody, Image Banani hai.